Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Griddle Porn. And still not griddling today, but hang in there. It'll come. Still on a diet, eating salads. Went to the doctor yesterday. He was happy. But that's not why we're here. We're here to celebrate with Dragon's Milk. I've reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which means I can maybe start making a little bit of monetization. Start making some moolah, hopefully, maybe. So thank you for being a part of that. And the Facebook channel's got like 5 times that. But I think I can start doing something there. I have to figure it out. I'm happy and grateful and humbled and all that for everyone who's watched any of the videos and helped me out, helpful advice, good advice, not the trolls. There's lots and lots and lots of trolls online, as most of y'all probably already know. But it's a wonderful feeling to hit 1,000. Of course, my personal channel, for some reason I get more than that every time I post a cat video or a bunny video, but yeah, since I've been on my diet, I've kind of been doing more reviews. Haven't done many beer reviews because beer's not on my diet, but what the heck. 11% Dragon's Milk, bourbon barrel-aged stout. Oh, it's so good. Where was I? I got drunk already. Yeah, it's a wonderful thing. Still have big ideas in the future. Hopefully they work out and grow the channel even more. And there are other changes that aren't necessarily as good, like the view here. Have you seen the view? Take a look at this view. I did almost, oops, sorry, call this Griddle with a View, but I like the name Griddle Porn. That's just me. Whatever happens, there'll still be camping and hammocking. Just got back from a weekend with a group of campers, fellow hammockers near Big Bear, and that was awesome. But I think my view is just as awesome as Big Bear. Anyway, that's it. I wanted to say thank you, and I think I've done enough rambling and not enough drinking. So thanks for watching. Thanks for standing by. Thanks for subscribing, sharing, all those wonderful things you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!